Okay, I was just looking in this mukbang game that I play at random. Updated their little mini mart thing, and now they have recipes, which is just so fascinating because it's super cute. And I couldn't do a full video today because I've been sick, and that puts me in a bad mood. I'm very rarely sick. Anyways, I'm not really sure. Oh, okay, like that. That's cool. And they also changed it so like they used to have a whole long row, but now it's different, with the 41 recipes, and so if you have a pet, they can just eat your food with you. Maybe not the spicy chips. Hopefully this is recording okay. Sometimes it does, sometimes it lags. I wonder if they can drink the drinks. They can! This pet he's bought with diamonds. No, no, not the spicy chips. That would make me feel bad. Oh, I see a secret code there. Oh, he didn't like that. What did I give him that he hated? Future. Well, you can finish the candy then, I guess. Oh, it was a chip! Well, stop it. Are we eating everything? Oh. Well, that's adorable. Pardon my coughing. Bye!